So I've had some questions about how I create the some of the styling elements on some of the blog posts I've done here. This one particular has this drop cap, this large A here. And one of the other styles that I've been asked about is how do I create this lovely little box? And it turns out that if you're using Thesis as your theme in WordPress, as I am on a number of these, Thesis comes equipped with a variety of styles like these. And I'm going to talk to you just about these two right here so you can see how to use them. So this first one is called the drop cap. Now I'm going to show you by way of example on another blog post that doesn't have it. We're going to build it. I'm going to show you how to build it. So for example, this one right here, it doesn't quite have the pizzazz of the other one. Maybe this T should be capitalized. Maybe this J in John Greathouse would look cool capitalized or with a drop cap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into that particular blog post and I'm going to edit it. And by default, I'm looking at the visual tab here, which shows me what it looks like. Now what you're going to want to do, the first step is go up here above to the tab that says HTML. Click on that tab. And then what you're going to want to do is find the letter that you want to be the drop cap, preferably one at the beginning of a sentence, so otherwise it might look a little awkward. Which sentence did we? This topic. So I look for it in the HTML. This topic, it starts right here. So you're going to want to build the span class around it, wrap the HTML around it. So it goes like this. You do span equals span class equals drop underscore cap, close quote, close the tag, and then you're wrapping it around this letter. So we're going to end the span here. Okay? And then the effect is, if we preview changes, aha! There it is. Now I can do that on other paragraphs if I like, and so on and so forth. Okay? So the other effect we were looking at is sometimes you want to call special attention to a particular paragraph, right? Thesis has some predefined styles that you can use to accomplish this. So this one right here has a yellow box around it. This is called an alert class. And alert is in yellow, and they have another class called the note, which is in gray. So we're going to do one of each of those in our other post here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so in this, let's look at it visually. So I think maybe a gray note box around Features Executive might be nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a paragraph class called note, and it's going to look like this. Equals note, close the tag, sorry, and then at the end we're going to close the paragraph tag. Okay, now let's see how that looks. So we're going to preview changes, and there it is. It's a gray box and it's a note. Okay, so I'm just going to show you here what we can do if we do an alert. So let's see, at the very end of this post, if I look at it visually, to view all event details, please visit. That's a good spot for a nice yellow box. So we're going to do that. We're going to build that paragraph around here. So I'm going to take the paragraph tag as before and make it an alert instead of a note. And then at the end of the paragraph, I'm going to close that. And then let's see what that looks like with preview changes. So we got our gray box. That's the note paragraph class. And then this one has the alert. Looks nice, huh? So that's it. A nice little stylizing. You got your drop cap up at the top. You got your note paragraph here, and you got your paragraph that's styled with the alert class here. So just to recap, you've got your span class, which is drop underscore cap. You're going to wrap the HTML around that for the drop cap, and then for the note, you've got your paragraph with a class of note, and then you end the paragraph there. And then for the yellow box, you use the class for the paragraph as alert, and you end the paragraph. And there you go. That's what you're left with. Hope that helps. Take care.